Snowstorm 2019 Chicago. It's getting wild out here. So the density of snow is going high. Visibility is so-so. The roads are clean though. The plows are doing their job, but still, you know, you can feel the grip. It's yeah. So drive safe, everybody out there. If you live in the Chicagoland area or impacted by the snowstorm, it's crazy. It's crazy. Try to keep the distance with the cars in front of me because it's like crazy. And you can see the plows in front of me. They are doing a tremendous job. Always keep the distance from the snow plows because they do stops and they have salt and they may scratch your car nor can damage it. Plus you cannot brake, so they are heavy cars, so you can do quite a bit of damage. And never try to trespass them, let them do their job. Getting wild, up to 9 inches, that's say forecasted. So I don't know, when I had to clean my car today, look at this guy, look, he's a fast one. So this guy is a fast. I mean, people don't realize it's snow, the weather conditions are not good, and you're not supposed to follow nor to pass the snow plows. People are crazy, man. People are crazy, they don't know how to drive. And then get an accident, and after that, oops. Okay, there we go. Now we're good. We have enough space to go through the plows. These guys are working hard to keep these roads clean. Drive safe out there, people. Drive safe. Even though the weather conditions, you know, may not look as bad, you can get in an accident very easy, very easy. Roads are slippery, unstable, even though they plow and salt them still. You need to be very careful. Drive 20-25 miles max if you can. Don't drive higher because Snowstorm Chicago 2019. I hope everybody enjoying this video, and man, it's crazy, it's wild. You can see white, everything is covered from snow. Visibility is really poor, so my gosh. Hey, but life's going on, right? We need to work, so that's part of life. Nothing you can do. Everybody enjoyed this video. Just drive safe, stay warm, and even though may not snow, may not rain, just drive carefully, okay? We drive just some pieces of metals together, so they can be tricky and can get out of your hands, control very easy. So drive safe, everybody. Peace.